Hi guys and welcome back on my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to unbox and review new cases from Pitaka for my iPhone Air and my iPhone 17 Pro. Without further ado, let's get started. Pitaka's cases are known for their durability and their quality. These cases are ultra slim, they are made from the aramid fiber, so they are extremely lightweight and very durable. I don't like chunky cases, that's why I am a huge fan of the Pitaka brand. Their cases are extremely high quality and I'm using them for a couple of years now, never had any issues. So let's start the unboxing by looking at this ultra slim case for the iPhone Air. The package feels very premium, the unboxing experience is really nice. So you have this Pitaka case inside the box, you have a little manual, no one's gonna read it. And you have the case itself. The case is extremely lightweight. This case for the iPhone Air weighs about 20 grams. It's the weight of one chips or something like that. It's extremely lightweight and very durable. It's the aramid fiber, of course it's compatible with MagSafe. You know, when you hold this thing in your hand, it feels like air, it feels like nothing. It will be a perfect match for this iPhone Air. If you are looking for a case for your iPhone Air, it should be this one because it's extremely lightweight, it's almost invisible. And of course, what's the point of getting a bulky case on the iPhone Air? You should get something like that. As you can see, the case is not adding much thickness to this iPhone. It's just 1 millimeter, so it's almost invisible. You still feel this ultra thin experience of the iPhone Air. All the buttons are accessible. The aramid fiber material is very hard and it's very durable. So even if you drop your iPhone on the concrete, it will still protect it on the corners. The camera bump is protected as well. I think this case looks just gorgeous and it matches really well this iPhone Air. This aramid fiber material feels very nice, it's very grippy, so it adds an additional protection when holding your expensive iPhone Air. And don't consider this case as bulletproof. It's made for casual usage. If you're working on a construction site or something like that, of course, you should get a more robust case, but for everyday life, this case is more than enough. Every time I unbox the Pitaka products, I'm really impressed. Alright, time to unbox the second case for the iPhone 17 Pro. This is the same style ultra slim case made from aramid fiber. It has a blue tint, so it's a little bit different. The box is the same, you have a little manual, you have some accessories, and the case itself. Again, the case is extremely lightweight. This time it weighs even less, it weighs just 19 grams because it's smaller. Of course, it's compatible with MagSafe, magnets are very strong. And yeah guys, it's a beautiful case for your iPhone 17 Pro. It has the same carbon fiber grippy texture. It's very slim. So let's take this cosmic orange iPhone 17 Pro and let's put this phone inside the case. Let me know guys in the comment section what do you think about this combination of colors, the blue case and the cosmic orange iPhone 17 Pro. I kinda like it, I like the contrast. So as you can see, all the buttons are accessible, the iPhone is protected on the corners, the camera bump is protected, the camera control button is accessible, everything works fine. The iPhone 17 Pro is made of aluminum and unfortunately aluminum scratches pretty easily, so I really do advise you to get this case or any another case to protect your brand new iPhone 17 Pro. Next, let's have a look on additional accessories. Magnetic woven wallets from Pitaka. Again, the packaging is really nice, it feels very premium. Inside you have a little notice, no one's gonna read it. Let's have a closer look on this MagSafe wallet. It feels very premium again. It's made from... Actually, it's not made from aramid fiber because it's flexible, but it's also a very durable material. In terms of quality, Pitaka's MagSafe accessory are always on the top. Let's attach this MagSafe wallet to my iPhone Air. Magnets are very strong. I like the contrast. I like this blue wallet with this black case, but of course I have the second wallet. It's fully black, so it will match this iPhone Air perfectly. Let's try this blue MagSafe wallet with the blue case. It matches really perfectly. I like the look. By the way, guys, let me know in the comment section if you like MagSafe accessories. Are you carrying a MagSafe wallet on your iPhone? Let me know in the comments below. Alright, so let's have a look on the second MagSafe wallet from Pitaka. This is the same model, just in black color. The package is identical. Everything is the same. This black wallet will perfectly match the black case on my iPhone Air. It's really beautiful. You really feel the quality when you hold it in your hand. The stitching is perfect. Let's put this black MagSafe wallet on the case. Magnets are very strong. Again, Pitaka, the quality is incredible. Let's compare both products, the iPhone Air and the iPhone 17 Pro. I think it looks gorgeous. So guys, if you're looking for a good quality case for your iPhone 17 Pro or iPhone Air, really check out Pitaka's products. You can purchase them directly on their website, or you can also find them on Amazon. The price of these cases are around $50, so they are not very expensive. Lastly, let's have a look on this little accessory. It's called MagSafe Phone Ring Holder. And it's a sort of MagSafe accessory that helps you to hold your phone. You can also use it as a sort of a stand to watch videos or when making video conferences or video calls. This little thing costs 25 bucks, but it's a such game changer. I always have this little thing in my backpack, especially when traveling. I'm using it as a stand for my iPhone when watching videos or movies. It's so handy. So guys, let me know in the comments, what do you think about new Pitaka accessories for the iPhone 17 series? Would you consider buying them? Guys, thank you for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, please give it a like and subscribe for my YouTube channel for more videos like that. Thanks again for watching. Have a nice day. Peace.